about to get in line for the old mill. Now, the last time that we were here, which was before COVID, this was still Garfield themed.
Yep.
So we have not been back since they rethemed it to what it originally was.
Yeah, the Garfield I thought kind of sucked.
It was not great.
I'm happy it's back to this stuff.
Not great.
There it is. You can see the little boats up in there. Still old historical flag.
Yeah, like it's got that smell of like any old, like pale farm. Dun, dun, dun.
I like the little film. That's cool.
Yeah, it's cool. That's new. Obviously, this is all new to us, but. And we got the whole boat to ourselves. Rats in here in the back. Without any noise or music or anything.
Nope.
Why? Why they gotta be spiders?
No trespassing.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, that is neat. Ferris wheel. Oh, he's shooting him.
Oh, good.
Or maybe not. Oh, it's the skunk, yeah.
This is a stink up. It's okay, that's cute.
Trying to get the key.
Using his other arm.
best scene.
Skunk got away. Let's see. They have the backside of water here too. All right, guys. So right behind us, you can see the old mill ride, which we just got off of. This is the first time that we have been on it since they reskinned it a couple of years ago. Pardon me. And the reskinning was actually going back to how it originally started, which is kind of like an Old West shootout thing. It fits much better.
Yeah, it's way better.
It used to be Garfield the last couple of times that we were here. And the thing is, it doesn't do anything. It's literally just a boat in water. It doesn't go up hills or anything like that. So the theming now fits way better with it. And it's just like a nice, cool, leisurely boat ride. The problem is it loads really, really slow. Yeah. So like if there's a line that's more than like 2 bends in the queue.
It's going to take you a while.
Yeah. I would say maybe don't wait.
Yeah, we just got in line right when we came in.
Right, as soon as we walked in the park, and we still probably waited like close to 10 minutes.
Yep.
So just know that even if the line doesn't look very long, it's probably a lot longer than it looks. It's deceiving. But it's fun and totally worth it, and the reskinning is very cool.